Hi viewers, today we will program file handling in Java. We use Netbeans and JDK 14 for this file operation. We will use Java input-out package to handle file operation. This package includes all basic operations which are needed to do in file handling. File handling is an important part of Java application. Java input-output package have several methods for creating, reading, updating and deleting files. In first part, we will create a file in Java code and write some text into it and save it. So let's start. Open Netbeans. Go to File menu and click New Project. Select Java Application. Click Next. Name this project. We give it File Handling. Click Finish Project. First of all, we import Java IO package. And next very important thing, we always use try catch, and sometimes finally, as it is a good practice approach. We has written try catch block. In next we start code in try portion. We declare file object. Here in try block, we initialize it by file object. Here we create file. If successful it return true, and print message. If file already exist, it will print message. If it is error it will catch exception. File create successfully. It created a file in main project folder. Let's check. File created here. Now we try to write some text into this file. we use file writer class. Again we declare it outside try block. And initialize it in try block. Write method is used to write into file. And append method is used to add text into file. Now we close file writer. Close method is used to close writer. We run project. Now we check file, whether text is written. It's show written text. Hope you understand basic file create and writer operation. In next part, we will learn read operation. Subscribe channel to stay in touch. Thanks.